You ever watch The Rifleman? I did. Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And we're doing a bunch of videos on all the guns we have from Parris Manufacturing. And all these are right on the website, ProTinkerToys.com. This is item number 4600. And this is my favorite rifle. Why is it my favorite rifle? Because number one, it looked authentic. Number two, it has a great way of caps. You can put caps in it. They're strip caps. It's got a scope, die cast barrel and main stock, and then your main part, and your stock is plastic. But it's a really heavy feeling gun, and it really looks great. I mean, and you know, it's pretty authentic inside. It's called the Cowboy Collection replica toy cap guns. Okay, and this is the Jefferson Rifle, and this is really sweet. I mean, I just bought them out of all that they had, and there's no more of these guns. Okay, I think I've got them for like $49, and they might even be. But check on my website, because whatever my price is, you're never going to find them. You're not going to find them. Matter of fact, Bass Pro had them. They sold out. I have them all. I buy them all. I'm crazy. I like to buy toys. Okay, so this is the Jefferson Rifle. ProTinkerToys.com. Like and subscribe us. Thank you.